For Sinuous, Kvadrat collaborated with the young and very talented Dutch designer Simone. The design process of Simone started with exploring the main element of almost every textile product, the yarn. She researched the traditional technique where bundles of yarns are twined together, forming a thicker rope. Zooming in, you can see that the rope itself is already a very beautiful product. It is existing out of 5 different colors, which is giving it a contemporary character. In the rug, the ropes are hand-woven using a multicolored warp, which is relatively open, so you get to see the ropes as good as possible. The rug is made of 100% New Zealand wool and comes in 8 colorways. Those are also the result of an intensive color research by Simone. Vintage is one of the most puristic rugs in our collection, designed by the Kinnasand design team. The rug is constructed in a traditional kaolin weave. This is a very dense weave, resulting in a quite thin but really strong rug. Characteristic for this quality is that there is used a handspun yarn. This handspun yarn is on purpose spun irregularly, meaning that the yarn has different thicknesses. In this handmade quality, we honor the unique touch of the human hand, and this showing well in the intriguing and slight irregular surface of the rug. Vintage is available in 28 refined colors, ranging from warm earthy shades to more cooler stone nuances. As almost our whole rug collection, vintage is made to order and can be produced in any preferred size within the maximum size of 4 by 5 meters. Additionally, you have the possibility to customize the rug with fringes on both sides. Duotone is designed by Jongerius. In this rug, Hella explored one of the most traditional weaves used in textiles, namely the basket weave. This weave is referring to one of Kvadrat's most iconic upholsteries, Hellingdal, which is also being well known for being available in a wide variety of duotone colorways. In the duotone rug there are also used 2 contrasting colors, one in the warp and one in the weft. By doing so, the rug brings color into the space, but it is never overpowering because the mix of the yarns softens its intensity. Also, the yarns used are adding a subtle effect. During the production process, they are over-twisted more than they are actually should. However, we think this is giving a slight irregular character to the surface of the rug, which makes it feel particularly alive. Duotone comes in a big color palette and includes both neutral as bright and fresh colors.